My name is Tim Messner, and I'm an associate professor in the Department of Anthropology. So HEARTH is many things. I like to describe it as a historic makerspace, as a living laboratory, as a community center, and lastly, as a classroom. HEARTH was specifically designed to engage with the past through hands-on activities, through craft. Right? Here at HEARTH, we have students who are learning to use historic woodworking tools. We have students who are learning to use old blacksmithing equipment. Then they're learning how to make traditional sourdough breads. And that's fun, and that's exciting, but it also tells us something about the past. So for instance, my colleague who's interested in exploring 19th century African American lifeways is using food as a thread that's been woven throughout her class. Food serves as a window into how people relate to each other, how people relate to their environment. And so the students are out cooking on Dutch ovens, both inside and outside, recreating some of these historic recipes. It's one thing to sit in a classroom and to lecture on a topic and to show PowerPoint slides. It's a whole different thing to put a hammer in a student's hand and to have them create something. So people have been shaping metal for thousands of years. So this semester we're very fortunate to have for the first time a forge set up here at SUNY Potsdam where students are learning the fundamentals of shaping and moving steel. This is experiential, this is applied learning, this is the epitome of HEARTH. It's at the core of SUNY Potsdam. A student will remember making something, bringing something to life. These are the opportunities, these are the experiences, this is the kind of education that will stick with a student for the rest of their life.